For example, this one. This is a photo that I've already uploaded. We can find others like this using the elements bar here. As you can see. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can crop images into shapes using the Canva app. So yes, we will be using the app this time, which means the mobile app. So as you can see, what I need to do first is to add something that I call of course, a photo. We need to add a photo here. It can be anything that you want. So you can do it by either heading over to elements, which I have headed to here. Or you can also go ahead and go to uploads. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can do it in elements. So for example, this one. This is a photo that I've already uploaded. We can find others like this using the elements bar here. As you can see, you have all those photos. And then all you need to do is to go ahead and find frame. You can search it up, and then you just need to choose the shape that you want to crop your photo into. For example, this one, I'm just going to drag it into the frame, right into the circle. And as you can see, this photo is now inside a circle, right? So what you can do with this is when you click it, you can adjust it, such as the temperature, its tint, the brightness. So basically, you can still adjust the photo inside. You can edit it without really worrying about the rest of the design. For example, the white background. So it's just gonna focus inside the photo, regardless if it has a frame or not. So okay, it still works the same way. So you can just slide these sliders left and right. Okay, the whites, the blacks, and then the vibrance. So yeah, saturation. Okay, so yeah, you can also adjust it for edit. So yeah, another thing you can do is that when you can also move this around, and then you can just include it to your design. And you can also for example, double press on it. When you double press it, when you hold the frame, you can see that you can crop it. You can adjust which part of the photo can be seen, if you just want the face to be seen, or you just want the shirt to be seen. So basically, it's so simple. That is how you can crop photos into shapes in Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again, this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.